Here we are in Byron Bay. I'm Neville and I make films. And today we're going to be making a film using some old unused footage. The biggest challenge for a new film is, I think, just starting somewhere and then the film will just grow with you. So we've had to dig around the hard drives and I've found this Mexico drive from 2012 and it was one of the first trips that I shot 16mm. And you can tell by all the imperfections in the footage that I didn't have a clue what I was doing. We have a slice through the footage and we're going to grab the best moments. Lifestyle that sets the scene in Mexico, surfing footage, chihuahuas, some wipeouts. Okay. One of the most important parts, I think, of filmmaking is music. So find that magic track to sync up with your footage and you'll be set. I kind of grabbed audio from my travels and I found this really weird Mexican song back on this trip that was, we grabbed in the street. Kind of makes you want to travel and get out of this cooped up editing room. Just try and get a bit of a flow of what'll work. Open on Mexican beach scene, then we cut to Dane surfing. And I love cutting to the beat. I have an ear for certain sort of high and low points and I try and cut to that. It's fun to have a play around in the edit, have some fun with it, get experimental.
There's no rules.
Probably get some friends, have a beer and nervously stand in the corner and watch them watch it. Let's play it through and see how it looks. I mean, Andy Warhol quote's pretty good. It's like, create art, let other people think if it's good or bad, but while they do that, you just keep creating art. Throw it out there for people to watch, but you're already on to making something else and your kind of work's done.